Hey everyone, welcome back to Seaport Mike's Automotive channel. Welcome to another video. Even though I've been gone for a while, but a lot of things was going on and I was super busy. So I would like to share this video with y'all. An engine swap out of 2013 Chevy Malibu LT. Pretty straightforward, you know what I mean? Nothing too much. So first thing first, of course, disconnect the battery. It's really easy. You can take this red wire off. A hole right here for the 13 millimeter, get that out of the way, and it's gonna be a hold down bolt. It's gonna be a 13 mil right there. Take that off, and 13 hold this cable on right here. 13 for the ground, and I removed the computer so we can have some room to get all them hoses and the bell housing bolts and stuff off. And of course the computer wires, the computer sits right here, as you can see. Now we remove the oxygen sensor. The plate was holding it. It was 1, 2, 3 10 millimeter screws. As you can see over here, this heat shield plate off. And what I had to do, disconnect this oxygen sensor. Over here, it's a tab you push. It was kind of difficult getting off, but if you continue to push and wiggle it out, it'll come out. You'll see what else. I use a I believe it's an 8 millimeter to get the throttle body screw off. That's loosened. 10 millimeter to get this off, this nut off, and all this coming out. It's looking good so far. You'll see what else. And I'm about to remove this AC line, 13 mil for the AC line. He needs a new AC compressor, so I wouldn't worry about getting in charge right now. So the charge will have to come out. You can get the charge re-out from a local auto shop somewhere near you. Less than probably like 20 bucks. So I'm gonna continue with part 2. Y'all stay tuned. We're gonna be bringing this motor out of here and get this customer back on the road soon as possible. So stay tuned. Okay, we got a lot of progress done. So as you can see, I got all my wire harness disconnected off the coil packs. What you want to do, want to get like a little flat blade screwdriver like that, and you want to pull these red tabs right here out. Then you want to press it down, press these middle, see these black, them little small little tabs. You want to push that down and pull right out. It'll come out like so. These tabs some of them are difficult, but we already got that air box moved out of the way. We disconnect the AC line like I was telling y'all earlier. 13 millimeter bolts. I had to get it out of the way and got this hose off. I'm gonna show y'all what I use for that. I use this tool right here. This hose removal tool. It works really, really great. I'm gonna leave it a link down below so y'all can get that if y'all interested into that. And remove these fuel lines and this evap line. As you can see, you can press down on this, pull back, press down on it, and pull right out. It'll come out of this. And this one right here is the fuel pressure line. As you can see, I'm gonna show y'all how to get that line off. It's gonna be over there, and it's gonna come right off like that. You could get one of these from O'Reilly's. It's really not that expensive, a few dollars, about $6 or $7. They come with a whole kit. And basically you put this around here and pull straight up, and that fuel line will come right out with no problems. And this big bolt connection is for the fuel injections. That's cool how they made that, so you don't have to worry about getting the wires back there off. You just pull back that tab, push it down, and pull right out. Same thing for this. Pull that tab out, press down on it, and pull out. Like so. This thing is going awesome, guys. Same thing with these bolts. These are 15 millimeter. Soak them down with a little WD-40 and zip them things right out. They'll come out like butter. Same thing for these connections. Same old. Pull the red tab out, push it. Some of them will be broke because of the oil and the brittle. That's okay. Don't worry about it. The connection still will slide back in when you put the new motor in it. As you can see right here, see if you can see that. You see that? That's a ground connection, 10 millimeter with a stud. Take that off and it'll come right out. Same thing with all these connections. You just press down on it, pull it right out. Same thing with this evap line. You pull up on this rad tab right here and pop right out like so. Everything is looking good, y'all guys. And I'll keep y'all up with an update. Like I said, this a walkthrough. It ain't really, showing y'all, I can't do that, you know what I mean? I ain't really got that much space. But, everybody on YouTube, they always cut their videos and stuff. But I'm showing y'all, trying to help y'all with what all you have to do and get out the way so you can pull this motor out. And so just stay tuned, and I'm gonna see y'all. I'm gonna see y'all soon. All right, I'll be back.